It all begins the moment the best potatoes arrive at our facility. Massive trucks roll in, carrying tons of fresh, carefully selected potatoes. The raw ingredient behind every perfectly crunchy chip. And from the very first second, one thing is clear. In this plant, speed and hygiene are never optional. They're built into the system, using fully automated unloading equipment. The potatoes are transferred straight onto the cleaning lines without delay. Everything moves with precision because every stage matters. The first challenge is dirt, soil, and foreign material, and we eliminate it completely. The potatoes travel through high-pressure water tunnels. Where powerful streams wash them clean from every angle. Only the healthiest, cleanest potatoes are allowed to continue. This is where quality control truly begins. Next comes peeling, fast, accurate, and incredibly gentle. Precision peeling machines use water jets and advanced brush systems to remove the skins in seconds. Stripping away only what's needed while protecting the core of each potato. No waste, no damage, just clean, smooth potatoes ready for the next step. And now, technology takes the lead. High-speed cameras and optical sensors scan every single potato in real time. The smallest spot, bruise, or defect is detected instantly. Within a split second, precision air jets remove anything that doesn't meet the standard. Because here, good enough isn't good enough. Only perfection earns the right to become a chip. Now the transformation becomes unmistakable. The peeled potatoes move into slicing machines, where rotating razor-sharp blades cut them to the exact thickness required. Nogisborg, Nobediaschen. These thin, uniform slices are the secret behind that iconic crunch. Before frying, the slices are rinsed again to remove excess starch, ensuring a cleaner fry, a better texture, and a crispier finish. Then comes the heat. The slices drop into hot oil baths, frying at a constantly monitored temperature. Every second is controlled. Every batch is watched. Slowly, they turn into a perfect golden brown, crisp, light, and ready. As the chips rise from the oil, they're thoroughly drained to remove excess. What remains is pure crunch, golden, thin, and at peak crispiness. And now, the most exciting part, seasoning. The chips enter rotating flavor drums, where they're tossed and blended with our signature spice mixes. As the drums turn, every single slice is evenly coated. No empty corners, no uneven flavor. Just a consistent, irresistible taste in every bite. Before packaging, there's one final check. Another optical scan filters out anything overcooked, broken, or imperfect. Only the best chips make it through, because every bag represents the same promise: quality, consistency, and crunch. Next, automated weighing systems measure the exact amount for each bag with milligram-level accuracy. No bag is too light. No bag is too heavy. Every bag is exactly right. Specialized film rolls are formed into bags by high-speed packaging machines. As the chips are filled, protective gas is injected to keep them fresh for longer. Then each bag is heat sealed into a completely airtight package. From there, intelligent robotic arms carefully place the finished bags into boxes with high precision. Hands-free handling maximizes both efficiency and hygiene. After sealing and automated labeling, the boxes are stacked onto shipping pallets. Finally, everything is shrink-wrapped to protect the products from external elements during transport. And that's the end of the journey. Forklifts load the pallets onto trucks, and those fresh chips head out to market shelves and ultimately to your home. From raw potato to perfect crunch, this is how real chips are made. Enjoy.